Hello there, I'm Sebastian. I have my banjo, but this time it's tuned differently. So, it's got a C and a C, and a G and a G, and then a D stuck in there. So it's called double C, or I like to call it double drop C, even though one's risen up to a C instead of dropped to a Z. But don't have my finger picks. I'm using my fingernails, or one fingernail and this thumb. And I'm not doing that. I'm just lifting it up away from the string, and it plucks it. I'll be playing. Oh, this is called Clawhammer. I'll be playing. What was it called? Hell's Broke Loose in Georgia. Old Civil War tune. Alright, here we go.